This video will show you how to create externals. In NVivo, you can use externals for data that is relevant to your project, but that you are not going to import into NVivo. This might be data that is not available in a digital format, or something very large from which you plan to only use excerpts. So with, say, a large governmental report, instead of importing the whole PDF, you could create an external in NVivo where you can type your notes about the report, or even cut and paste excerpts from the report. You can also link your externals to the report itself or to the URL location of the report, so you can access and refer to it from within NVivo. To do this in NVivo, I am selecting the Externals area in the navigation view. Then, in the ribbon, I'm selecting the Create tab. Then I select External. The new External dialog box opens. I'm going to give this a name. You'll also note there is an area for description if I need to further explain what this is about. Now before I click OK to create the external, I click on the Externals tab to tell NVivo what type of external this is. As I have a copy of the file on my hard drive, I am selecting the type File Link. Note, there is an option for data which you do not have in a digital format. Now that I've selected File Link, I can click Browse, and I can now select the location of the file on my computer. Then click Open. In Location Description, I can put that this is my computer. For contents, I tell NVivo that it is a printed document. For unit, I select Page, and I can then say that it starts at page 1 and ends at page 12. Then I click OK. I can see that it has opened in Detail View as a sheet showing pages 1 to 12, ready for me to start typing. If I want to view the PDF first, I right-click over the file in List View and select Open External File. I can then scroll to the part of the document that is important to my study and either type notes about it in the external in NVivo or copy and paste from the document to the external open in NVivo. In this case, I'm scrolling down until I find page 5, and here there's something relevant for my project that I'm going to copy and then paste into NVivo. Again, I can return to the document, head to another page, find more relevant information, and just as before, copy and paste it into NVivo. Now you can practice creating externals with the sample data you have for the course or some files of your own.